go to this page to download PitchProof. Here I'm going to download the 32 and 64-bit version. Click it and go to the Downloads folder. Look for the 32-bit version and paste it to the Audacity plugin folder. Close everything and open Audacity. Go to Effect, Add or Remove Plugins. Then you should see the PitchProof here. Click Enable and OK to register the plugin. Now, when you go to Effect and VST, you should see PitchProof. You can start play around with the plugin.